Long time no see, everyone. I'm going to have lunch before go to work, real quick. And at the same time, I want to share updates, life updates. So let me get some. Nothing really. If I don't have any meat, then I'm gonna have 3 eggs. 3 is actually too much. Maybe just 2. Rice and eggs. Oh, I have only 3 left after this. Let me wash my pan quick. This little egg pan. So long story short, maybe I don't want a long story short. Maybe I want to talk about everything. Yeah, first of all, my sleep. I always said I slept really bad. I'm so tired, but I kind of fixed it. Eggs first. A little oil. Yeah, so I fixed my sleep somehow. I think since last Sunday, I slept over 7 hours or 8 hours over a week. And the first 3 days after sleep over 7-8 hours, I felt still so tired. I don't even remember when was the last time I slept over 8 hours. Maybe like a few years ago. Maybe my body just needed more sleep and rest, and it was really good. So I had a good sleep for over a week, and I was like, oh, I feel so good. It's so much different, you know? And then yesterday, actually, I slept a little late. So these days I usually sleep between midnight to 1 a.m. But last night I slept at 3:30, and then I woke up at before 9 today. But maybe I had a good sleep for a while, so today I'm not that tired, but I'm gonna keep the good sleep schedule. So I wanted to make YouTube videos, ideally 2 videos a week, but I couldn't because I had so many things to do. I mentioned about selling apron, right? I'm actually very serious about it. And then there are so many things I have to get it done before I start to selling. So now I'm in the middle of checking samples. So I ordered 5 different samples from 5 different factories. And I got the pictures, but I haven't gotten the actual products yet in person. When it gets here, I'm gonna check the material and I'm gonna test out dishwasher and dryer if it tastes good. And then it's not just that. So I need to have an address for the business, and I had to set up a store on Shopify, and I had to apply seller's permit. There are more things than what I just said, but I don't remember exactly everything. So yeah, that was the thing. And then I registered a PO box for my business. I always wanted to have my own business. Right now I'm 35. Finally, I'm going to have my own business in my 35. I'm very excited, and I hope I will do good. And then I started a new channel showing people my local restaurants, local spots. It's called Foodie channel. Yeah, I started. It takes pretty much time and money because I have to visit the restaurant, I have to order the food. Sometimes some restaurants provide the food for me. That's really good. I mean, I'm just a beginner, but eventually I would love to make money out of this channel. For start, free food is already good for me, so I can save a little money on making content. And then a bowl of rice. And then what else? This is my first business, so everything is new to me. So it takes a lot of time to research and everything. But I'm not complaining. I'm very enjoying this project, and I put my effort a lot. You guys watch my videos and my channels are growing, and I make some money out of it. And I can see the future, I can see the potential, and it makes me move non-stop. This is really grateful. I don't know, when was the last time I was really motivated and then moving forward, not like being sad, depressed. I don't feel that now. I am so focused on my apron business, and eventually I wanna sell something else too. Not just to my audience, I wanna sell my product to other people who doesn't know me. So let's make I say struggle meal because I have nothing else in my fridge. 2 eggs. Can you see it? 2 eggs, some soy sauce, and then sesame oil. That's it. Very easy. We can cook this within 5 minutes. Just mix, mix, mix. The reason why I'm making this video, I know it's not really interesting content. I just wanted to update you guys and tell you I'm doing good. I'm doing really good. So where were we? Oh, actually I have to clean my house. I keep it clean pretty much. But yesterday I filmed some cooking videos. So it's kind of messy. I'm gonna clean it up after this. And also I'm gonna take picture of myself, profile pictures for applying commercial model agencies. I was gonna do that this week on my days off, but I couldn't. I have so many ideas in my head and then I was always like here and there. I didn't finish one thing. I did something here, I did something there. I never finished one thing. End of the day, I felt like, oh, what did I do for a whole day? I was working on things all day. I didn't finish anything, so I felt like I didn't do anything. So now I'm trying to finish one thing at a time and move on to the other one slowly. The picture, I'm planning to take it next week. Of course, I'm going to update you. I'm gonna go eat real quick. Thank you for watching. It was just a quick update. Have a good one. And also, oh, I'm sorry, I didn't mean to point at you. Sorry. Also, like I said earlier, I don't have any meat, so it's time to go to Costco soon. But this time I'm thinking to take you to Costco Business Center. Yeah, I'm gonna get some meat, nothing else, but I'm gonna show you what they have and how it looks like. I don't think Costco business centers are everywhere. They have only little amount of locations. So I'm gonna show you that. I'm gonna go eat. Bye bye. Thank you for watching again.